sir. I am going to explain the topic online voting system. Online voting system agenda, the introduction statement of the problem, purpose of your project and the proposed methodology, accepted result and its implicates, literature review, project plan, conclusion reference. Introduction for online voting system to provide secure and reliable platform for citizens to cast their votes online, to enable authorized voters to participate without visiting physical polling stations, to overcome the drawbacks of traditional voting methods like by ballot papers and EVMs, to ensure key features such as accuracy, privacy, convenience, flexibility, verifiability, to allow voters to cast votes from anywhere in the country in safe and secure manner, to increase voter turnout, making applicable the statement of the problem. Voters must visit physical polling stations, which is time consuming and inconvenient. Manual verification of the voter identity can lead to human errors, impersonation, and fraudulent voting practice. Maintaining and security physical records of votes require people living away from the registered constituents to provide the common purpose of the project to provide a convenient and accessible voting method for all eligible citizens, eliminate the need to visit physical polling station, and also to enhance transparency and provide real-time accessibility to election results and voting status, to enable remote voting for citizens living away from their registered constituents. Literature review reference paper. Multi-candidate voting model based on blockchain. Traditional voting system and even some early blockchain-based models and innovation in handling multi-candidate election. Summary of literature review. Functional requirements. User registrations allow new voters to register and providing credentials such as voter ID, name, date of birth, and address. User authentication supports secure login using voter ID and password. Candidate management enable the election commission or admin to voting process. Allow authenticate voters to cast their votes electronically for their preferred candidate during the voting period. Perform audit and verification. Maintain immutable audit trail to verify votes and ensure election transparency. Admin dashboard. Provide an admin inference for monitoring voters, managing elections, and generating reports. Result declaration. Display real-time or finalized election results only after the authorized time period, ensuring fairness. Voting counting. Automatically count votes after the election ends using a secure transparency. Non-functional requirements. Performance. The system should handle multiple concurrent users efficiently with delays or downtime during peak voting. Scalability. The system must be scalable to accommodate large numbers of voters across different regions and elections. Security. Ensure data conveniently, inherently authentication through encryption, secure protocols. SDG goals. Prompting peace, promoting peace, justice, and strong institution. By implementing a secure and a transparent online voting system, this project enhances democratic participation, accountability, and integrity in election, reducing corruption and promotion trust in institutions. And also explain the code for the online voting system project. Import the subclass as PSP, import tinker tier key, import register voter, import admin function, import ticker from register from admin functions, def function using root frame 1 frame 3 and admin go to for loop and try concept implementing into exception as the error and also conditional statements using if else, and a screen with to the home and admin buttons reduced size, title positioned at the top of the laptop display, buttons positioned inside the laptop display reduce the size and reset, and also the for the code for voting system, and removed root main loop. This was causing the infinite loop. Remove any existing error message for first, and also the auto remove error message after 3 seconds. Set background image for the system online voting system. Set background image, and calculate the position for laptop display area. Home button reduced system, and also tighten position at the top of the laptop display. Form positioned inside the laptop display. Labels and entries. This is the labels are entries frames. Helvetica 60 bold background BG. Login button reduces size. Login button displays also in the program for login button, and fixed enter key binding. Removed root main for the entire program for online voting system. The display overall program for online voting system. Okay, thank you.